Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a summary of a bank statement. First, gather your bank statements, either physical or digital, for the period you wish to analyze. You will need to identify the start and end dates, along with the initial and final balances. This foundational step ensures you have all the necessary data points to begin your comprehensive financial overview, providing a clear snapshot of your account's activity over several weeks or a full month. Next, meticulously extract the key data from your statement. Focus on listing every transaction, noting the date, description, and amount. For instance, you might find 20 to 30 individual transactions on a typical monthly statement. Pay close attention to both credits, like your salary or a refund, and debits, such as utility payments, grocery purchases, or subscription fees. This detailed extraction forms the backbone of your financial summary. Now it is time to categorize your transactions. This involves grouping similar items together, such as all restaurant meals or all rent payments. Common categories include housing, utilities, groceries, entertainment, and transportation. This step helps you see where your money is truly going, perhaps revealing that 25% of your income goes to dining out. Using a simple spreadsheet can make this process much more efficient and insightful. Finally, analyze your summarized data. Calculate your total income and total expenses to determine your net cash flow. For example, if your income was $3,000 and expenses were $2,500, you saved $500. This summary provides a clear picture of your financial health, enabling informed decisions for future spending and saving. Regularly reviewing these summaries can significantly improve your financial management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.